letter S. S makes S. Next one is letter A. Letter A makes A. A. Next one is letter T. Letter T makes T. 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 Next one is letter I. I makes E. 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 Next one is letter P. Again, P have two sounds. One is voiced, another one is unvoiced. The perfect sound of P is unvoiced sound, which is the sound of P. The voiced sound is P. 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 Next one is letter N. Letter N makes mm. Mm. Sound of N is mm. We'll revise all the 6 sounds. First letter S. Next letter A. 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 Next letter T. 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 Or T. Next letter I. E. 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 Next letter P. P. Or P. Next letter N. Mm. Mm. So next second group. First one C and K. Both the letter makes one sound. For C and K also we have two sound. One is voice sound, another one is an unvoiced sound. But the perfect sound of C and K is unvoiced sound, which is again should be come from the throat. This is a perfect sound. If you want to make the sound in voice, then you can make that is K, K, K. Okay, C, K together, it just makes one sound, that is K or K. Next one is letter E. E makes F, F, F. It's not A, it's not A, it's F, F, F. Again, the sound comes from the throat. Next letter H. Letter H makes. Next one is letter R. R makes R, R. Sound of R is R, R. Next letter M. M makes mm, mm. Next one is letter D. D makes D, D, D. For CK, K or K. Next letter E, F, F. Next letter H. Next letter R, R. Next letter M, mm, mm, mm. Next letter D, 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 D. So now we'll move on to the rule. Before moving on to the rule, let's see about the syllable. Okay, basic concept of syllable. Syllable is nothing but chunking the word using the sounds. How we have to chunk? Means through the sound of the vowel. How many vowels we have? How many vowels we have? Yes.
In phonics 7 and
Yes.
through the 5.
Yes. Through the 7 vowels only we can split the word. Okay. A, E, I, O, U, eta, Y, and W. How many vowels are there in this word? 1. How many vowel sounds we have in this word? 1. So, is the sound of the vowel, right? So, only one vowel sound. So, the word is with one syllable. Next, the word. How many vowels are there? 2. How many vowel sounds are there?
2.
Now, 1. Even though there is 2 vowels, we can hear how many vowel sound in the word. Eek.
E.
E is a 1 vowel sound. So the word is with 1 syllable. So what we should not do is, we should not count how many vowels are there in a word. We have to check how many vowel sounds we are hearing in the word. Already we have seen about digraph. Digraph is nothing but 2 letters making 1 sound. Trigraph, 3 letters are making 1 sound. Quadgraph, 4 letters are making 1 sound. So, just identifying how many syllables are there in a word by hearing the sound of the word. The word is C-A-K-E. How many vowels are there now? 2. How many vowel sounds? 1. So the word is with 1 syllable. If 2 vowels are together making 1 sound, then it is considered as 1 syllable. If 2 vowels are splitted, but still they are making only 1 sound, again it's considered as 1 syllable. So we call it as monosyllable word. The word is B-A-B-Y. How many syllables are there in this word? 2. What are they?
A and Y.
So A is a long sound and E is also a long
E,
sound. So
baby.
2 syllables.
E. 2 sounds.
Okay. Next, the word is P-A-P-E-R. Now, how many syllables are there? 2. 2. Okay. So, how? What are the vowel
A
sounds?
and E.
Say and per. Perfect. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. How many syllables are there?
Communication. Communication.
5. Perfect. So, 5. So, how many vowels are there in this word communication? Totally? 1.
5 ma'am.
Syllables are 5. I'm asking how many vowels are there?
How many syllables are there?
6. Okay. So here 6 vowels. We are writing 6 vowels in this word, but only 5 syllables. How? Means syllable is the most important topic for the rules. Yes? Yeah. Okay then. So first, we'll see about the floss. Floss rule, or we call it as a double consonant rule. Floss rule, or we call it as double consonant rule. Sound is at last, or ill sound is at last, or sound or z sound. Any one of the sound is at last. Just check the before sound. Just check the before sound. If before sound is a vowel, and then vowel is making the short sound, followed by this consonant, then we can double. Okay, I'll be writing as a concept. First condition, F, L, S or Z sound should be at last of the word, and then the word must have 1 syllable, which is you have to check the before sound. Before sound must be a vowel, and the vowel should be 1, not 2 vowel sounds or 3 vowel sounds. In the complete word itself, you must have only 1 vowel sound. That vowel sound must be short sound. That vowel must make the short sound. If all these 3 conditions is satisfied, then you can write FF or LL or SS or Z letters in the word. G sound. G makes G sound. Okay. So, L, A. These are the sounds we can hear in the word glass. So just see sound. We are ending with sound at last. Directly we can't write G-L-A-S alone. As per the sound, if we write G-L-A-S alone, then our spelling is wrong. Okay, to avoid spelling mistake only, we are using this rule. If sound is at last, just check the before sound. Before sound is a vowel. Vowel makes the short sound. This is at last. Before sound is A. A sound is for letter A and it's a short sound. Just see the complete word. The complete word we must have only one vowel sound. That vowel sound should be short. That is what the condition is. If all these three conditions is satisfied, yes, sound is at last. In the complete word, we have only one syllable, which is one vowel sound, and the vowel sound is short. If all these three conditions satisfied, while writing, we have to double the consonant at last as G, L, A, S, yes. M, E, L. Mill. In this word, we get L sound at last. Just take the before sound. Before sound is a vowel and vowel is making the short sound. M, E, L. E sound is for letter I because it's a short sound. E, E. If we're making E, then it is a long sound. We are making E. So it's a short sound. Short sound of I. So in the complete word, we have only one vowel sound. So what we can do? While writing, we can double the consonant as L. Is it clear? We can double. Or L is at last, we can double? No. Okay, for sure, no. Why means we have two consonants. One is rule breaker, another one is an exception. Rule breaker and then exception. What is rule breaker? Means here also we are doubling at last. Just see. GG. GG. We are doubling. But it's not being included in the clause. Why? Any idea? Next one is rabbitry. Next one is a rabbitry. Before we have seen how we have to double the consonant at last of the word. Now we are going to see how we have to double the consonant in between the word. For this, we have to follow the condition. First condition. For the rabbit rulers, the word must have two syllables. The word must have two syllables. Two syllables is nothing but two vowel sound. The word must have two syllables, which is two vowel sound. In between the two vowel sound, we must have one consonant sound. We must hear only one consonant sound. Again, rabbit rule is for writing purpose, not for reading purpose. Okay. So, if the word have two syllables and in between the two syllables, we have only one consonant sound, then what we have to do means we have to check the first syllable. The first vowel sound we have to check. First vowel sound must be short. First vowel sound should be short. Second vowel sound can be long or it can be a schwa sound. Anything it can be. No problem. But first vowel sound must be short, which is A, E, O, A. Any one of the sound must be there in a word. Then only we can double the in-between consonant. In fourth step only we have to double. If first three conditions are satisfied, then only we have to double the consonant in between. Again, example, we'll see with the rule name itself. In the rule name, what are the sounds we can hear? R, A, B, E. These are the sounds we can hear in the word rabbit, right? Here, in this word, we have two vowel sounds, A and E. In between A and E, we have one consonant sound, which is B. R, A, B, E, T. If we write the word using the sound directly, then our spelling will be wrong. Right? So what we are doing is, in between the two vowels, we are getting one consonant sound, means just check the first vowel sound. First vowel sound must be short. R, A. A is making A sound. A is the short sound of A. Right? So what we can do? We can double the consonant in between as BB. Don't want to check the final consonant. Sorry, final sound of the vowel.
Rabbit.
Yes. So, I is making the short sound. No problem. If I is making the long sound, no problem. I is making the schwa sound. No problem. Anything it can be but just check the first vowel sound alone for the rabbit. Okay. For this rule also we have a exception and the rule break. For all the rules will have an exception and the rule breaker. For example, the word habit. The word habit. It. So V and letter X can't be doubled in between. We can't double. For example, the word vivid. It just follow the rule. It just follow the rule, but we can't. Vivid. Same like the word toxin. The word toxin. Ox-E-N. The word toxin. Even though the word follows a rule. In between the two vowels, the first vowel is making the short sound. S sound is in between, but for S sound, we are writing C. Right? C is making the alternative sound. It's not making the actual sound. So that we are not doubling. Is it clear? Yeah. Now we'll move on to letters. Okay. The word is logic. The word is logic. Follow the rule. It's a rule breaker. Is it clear? We have a concept of rule breaker and then the exception. If the word is following the rule, if all the steps have been followed, but still the word has not been doubled in between or at last, then it comes under the exception, which is origin based word.